The Great Galactic Collision. What it means for us. Far beyond the scale of nations, planets, or even stars, a silent event is already unfolding. It cannot be seen with the naked eye. It will not happen within a human lifetime. And yet, it is inevitable. Two vast galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, are on a slow, unstoppable path toward one another. This is the story of the Great Galactic Collision, the future encounter between our home galaxy, the Milky Way, and its nearest large neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. A collision not of destruction, but of transformation, and one that raises a profound question. What does it mean for us? The Milky Way and Andromeda are separated by approximately 2.5 million light-years. Despite this enormous distance, gravity is at work. Andromeda is moving toward us at over 110 kilometers per second. This motion has been measured with remarkable precision, using shifts in light that reveal a cosmic approach millions of years in the making. In roughly 4 to 5 billion years, these two spiral galaxies will begin to overlap. Their stars will not collide in the way objects do on Earth. The vast distances between stars make direct impacts extremely unlikely. Instead, gravity will sculpt a slow, elegant, and violent dance across billions of years. As the galaxies approach, their shapes will distort. Long streams of stars will be pulled outward, like tidal waves of light. Spiral arms will stretch and twist. The night sky, as seen from Earth, if Earth still exists, would become unrecognizable. Andromeda would grow larger each night, eventually spanning most of the sky. Where there was once darkness, there would be rivers of stars. But what actually happens in a galactic collision? Galaxies are not solid objects. They are immense systems of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter bound together by gravity. When two galaxies collide, it is their gravitational fields that interact most strongly. Gas clouds slam into one another, triggering massive waves of star formation. Entire regions ignite with newborn stars, burning brightly and briefly. At the same time, older star systems are flung into new orbits. Some stars are ejected into intergalactic space, others fall toward the galactic core. Over time, the original spiral shapes dissolve. Eventually, after several close passes and billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into a single, massive galaxy, often called Milkomeda. This new galaxy will likely be elliptical in shape, larger and more luminous than either of its predecessors. At the center, the supermassive black holes of both galaxies, each millions of times more massive than the Sun, will spiral together and merge. This final act will release immense energy in the form of gravitational waves, rippling through space-time itself. But what about our solar system? Surprisingly, the odds of Earth being destroyed by a stellar collision are extremely low. The Sun is expected to continue its orbit, possibly moving farther from the galactic center or into a new region of the merged galaxy. The night sky would change dramatically, but the solar system would likely remain intact. However, the long-term fate of Earth is shaped by something else entirely. In about 5 billion years, around the same time as the galactic merger, the Sun will begin to exhaust its fuel. It will expand into a red giant, likely engulfing Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth. Whether humanity survives to witness the galactic collision depends not on the galaxies, but on our ability to adapt, migrate, or evolve beyond our home planet. The galactic collision reminds us of an uncomfortable truth. The universe operates on timescales far beyond human concern. Events of unimaginable scale unfold slowly, patiently, indifferent to life's presence. And yet, these events are not meaningless. Galaxies' collisions are engines of creation. Many of the stars visible today were born during past mergers. Even our own Milky Way bears scars of ancient collisions with smaller galaxies. We are already living inside the aftermath of cosmic violence. In that sense, the Great Galactic Collision is not an ending. It is a continuation of a process that has shaped the universe for over 13 billion years. For humanity, the meaning is philosophical rather than practical. It forces us to confront scale, to understand that our species exists in a brief moment between cosmic events, that our achievements, conflicts, and fears unfold against a backdrop of galaxies colliding and stars being born. It also highlights the power of science. Through mathematics, observation, and light collected by telescopes, we can predict events billions of years in the future with extraordinary accuracy. We can know what the universe is doing, even when we may not be there to see it. The Great Galactic Collision will reshape the night sky, reorganize our cosmic neighborhood, and erase the familiar outline of our galaxy. But it will not erase the universe's capacity for wonder. Whether humanity survives to witness it or not, the collision will happen. Stars will dance, galaxies will merge, time will continue. And perhaps that is what it truly means for us. It reminds us that we are not separate from the universe. We are part of its story, born from ancient stars, living on borrowed time, gazing outward, trying to understand forces so vast they humble everything we think we know. The Milky Way will not always be the Milky Way. The sky will not always look the same. But the laws that guide the cosmos will endure, and as long as we are here to look up, the universe will continue to invite us to ask the biggest questions of all. The collision between galaxies is not a disaster in the way we understand disaster. It is not sudden. It is not violent chaos. It is a slow, graceful reshaping of the universe, a reminder that even the largest structures in existence are not permanent. Long after continents shift and oceans vanish, galaxies continue their ancient dance. Stars are scattered, new ones are born, and familiar shapes dissolve into something entirely new. The Milky Way will one day cease to exist, not through destruction, but through transformation. For humanity, the meaning is not survival or extinction, but perspective. We are witnesses living in a brief moment between cosmic events. Our entire history unfolds during a pause in a universe that never stops moving. Whether or not we are here to see the final merger, the lesson remains the same. The universe is vast beyond imagination, yet governed by simple laws that we can understand. And in learning those laws, we find our place, not at the center, but within the flow of cosmic time. The night sky will change, the galaxy will change, but the story of the universe continues, with or without us. And perhaps the greatest meaning of the Great Galactic Collision is this: we are not separate from the cosmos. We are part of it, shaped by ancient stars, living beneath a sky that is always becoming something new. If you want to explore more stories where science meets the infinite, subscribe and journey with Earth and Beyond, because understanding the cosmos helps us understand our place within it.